What's good, guys? What's good? How's everybody doing today? Been a long time doing a New York live stream, but I have some free time on my hands today, so I thought let's do it. Been away for some time. I don't know, maybe the last 3 weeks or something like that. Just let me know if you can hear me. I just need to do a sound check. Yeah, just confirm with me if you can hear me. All right, just confirm if you can hear me. Just confirm that. Just confirm that. Someone says caught that one too. Oh, beautiful. We caught this trade with the Signal platform and also with the free platform as well. We were live and we caught the same trade. Yeah, we caught the same trade. Yeah, it was a beautiful trade. It was a absolute beautiful trade. Someone says loud and clear. I can hear you. Beautiful. Amazing. So we're gonna have a quick New York station stream. We're gonna do one just now. I'm gonna look at a couple assets. Mainly my focus right now, because already I took a trade on gold, so my focus right now shifts to Nasdaq. You know, yeah, it shifts to Nasdaq. So just a minute, I want to pin something on my stories here. Yeah, 1 minute. As people are joining, please feel free to ask questions as usual. Whenever we come here, we have an interactive session, right? So feel free to ask questions. Talk back to me, right? Don't be a spectator. You're not here to just be quiet. Okay, talk back to me. All right, so talk back to me. Okay. Someone says our very own Mr. Nas, how's it, man? How's it, man? Malcolm, how's it? Are you good, man? Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Buy or sell Nas today? Relax, I'm coming to that. Okay, I'm coming to that. Just relax. I'm coming to that. Okay. So let's put up a story now that we are live. Beautiful, beautiful. We have 24 people right now, which is not bad. Because we haven't been live for so long. It's been a while. Coach, can hear you. Amazing, amazing, Florence. Hopefully you're good. Yeah, so we had this trade on gold. It's the same signal that I sent to the Signal platform earlier. Let me show you guys that. Signal platform disabled this. This is a Signal platform here. So we had a beautiful sell here, right? Sell gold. This was today in the morning. No, today in the afternoon at 12. Almost like 1 p.m. right? So we had that sell, and you can see TP1, TP2, TP3 hit. I'm going to explain why we took this sell. Okay, besides, I was live earlier today with the entire Learn and Earn platform, which is a free platform that we have. You guys can join it if you're not in it, right? I did break down literally the whole trade that we're talking about right now. Okay, yeah, let me show you guys that. So I did break down the whole trade. It was a live stream anyway, so it wasn't like the way it is here, you know. So it was a live stream. So you can see this guy made some money, $53, approximately 1,000 quads or something like that. This guy took the sell. Yeah, this guy withdrew, paid himself. This guy was making I don't know how much that was, but this guy made $43, 500 rands. Yeah, so we broke down the whole trade, right? Today in the morning, we're live in this platform. We have about 757 people, right? If you're not on there, please hit me up with the word Learn and Earn on any platform that you can hit me up on. Could be Instagram or anything. Just hit me up and I'm going to add you to this platform. It's a very interesting platform, all right? Quite interesting. Reason why I'm saying it's interesting is because obviously end of the day you get to interact with me and everybody else. It's a few traders who are doing that right now. Everybody wants to make money from somebody. It's a few people who's going to give you stuff for free and just be like, okay, fine, let's discuss trades together. Let's trade together, and ideally, you know, we make some money together. Nobody paid nothing today for making this trade that they actually took with me today, because I broke it down with them, right? Anyway, that's not what I'm here for. But this was a trade. This was a gold trade. Ideally, gold has been in a downtrend since Friday. All right, so we're looking at this as an impulse move. Let me try and bring my brush here. we're looking at this as an impulse move. You know, that's the high there, and we had a low somewhere here. All right, so we're looking at this as an impulse move. So this was an impulse move to the downside. Price started retracing to the upside, created support somewhere here. You guys can see that. All right, we had support created. All we're waiting for is to see if price can get to this retracement level, right? 61.8 or 50.0 or something. Yeah, we're waiting for that. So price got to, okay, we wanted to see price get to 61.8, but as usual, we're just waiting for confirmation, right? If confirmation happened at 50, we're still going to take the trade, right? So confirmation happened at 50 and we took the trade right at 50. All right, so of course we saw price come here, you know, retraced a little bit, and then thereafter we had a resistance created. I personally waited to see this low get broken, all right, because that was the basis of this execution, right? Most importantly, it's a confirmation that matters, right? So if you were to check, my main, you know, point of confirmation for this trade was the fact that price broke this specific area, and I entered right here. Right when we entered, we rushed trading profit. I think we didn't take long before we can actually see, before we could see some profits. Yeah, if you were to check here, I think I sent this trade to the Signal platform at what time? At 13, yeah, roughly 13. And we smashed out TP1 13.7 by 13.07. By 13.20, we smashed out TP3. So I think roughly we're in this trade for like 20 minutes. Right, yeah, about like 20 minutes, and you know, it was a big move. Trust me, you know, I can imagine this whole move was really good. I made about $700 myself, but let's look at Nasdaq. Besides, let's try and see what's coming up, because I'm also eyeing Nasdaq. This is analysis we had early in the morning with the Learn and Earn platform as well. We're discussing this, but let me break this whole down for you guys. First and foremost, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you realize the price came and created some sort of like a support, right? So this support created is okay, I need to move this maybe somewhere here. Okay, so we have support created somewhere right here. You see this level? All right, I'm not gonna use this candlestick, this bearish candle, as in this point. No, this is a whole manipulated move, because we had markets gapping at the open. You guys saw that markets did gap at the open. What are we trading today? We did trade gold. We're trading Nasdaq now. Yeah, we want to trade some Nasdaq now. So is Nasdaq the same as US Tech 100? Yes, it's the same thing. Glad to have you back, Mr. Nas. Hearing loud and clear. Beautiful stuff. Good to have you back, Sam. Okay, good to have you here, rather. Was waiting to be guided on Nasdaq. I'm looking out for a bearish market. Yeah, okay, it's been a bearish market, but currently I think you wouldn't do yourself injustice by trying to maybe forecast some buys. Yeah, I think that wouldn't be a problem. It wouldn't be a problem. An idea as to when mobile money platform on Exodus will be back? It should be back soon, right? There's already a payment provider that's been found, so it should be back really soon. And by soon I mean really soon. It should be back. But in the meantime, we've been using Binance, right? Yeah, we've been using Binance, which you can have access to mobile money using Binance. All right. Yeah, you could. So if you go check also in the Learn and Earn platform, I have a video that's pinned here, how to withdraw using Binance. Go check out this video.
What's good, everybody?
All right, yeah, go check out this video. I literally explain how you could do your transaction, right? Yeah, and you can get your money using Airtel Money. You can get your money out using Airtel Money, right? So just hit me up. If you can't, you can still find the video on the Telegram platform. That's a public channel that we have on Telegram, right? Go check it out. I'm gonna do one maybe today on how to deposit, because I haven't done one on how to deposit. I think I'm gonna do one. Let me take out this. I need to delete this. Remove. Yes, this was just an alert that I had early on in the morning. All right. So yeah. Anyway, we're looking at also this area here, which is a resistance level. All right, based off the 4-hour time frame. This is a very strong resistance level. All right. Price looks like it wants to break a certain level here, an area of interest. If you look at the 30 minutes time frame. All right, so let's go 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame suggests that we should move this. Maybe it was going to be here, but because we have the most recent area somewhere here, I'm going to put it here. All right, and also we're going to say we have a resistance somewhere here, which is the main area in focus. All right now, because we have New York open in the next 6 minutes, right? So yeah, you guys know that. Okay, so we have this level, which is a resistance level. So price currently has been in a range. All right, if it breaks this area, we could push all the way to the upside, maybe all the way to this level. I said maybe, right? What's this thing? Your trade plan has to make sense, okay? Because if you're looking at all this reward, probably should also make sense when it comes down to the risk that you're actually looking for. But I might not be looking to holding this trade all the way to up there. If we break this level, which is 17,165, 160, something like that. Yeah, but we'll see. Let's see what's going to happen. Maybe we can trade that live together today. All right. Let's see what's going to happen. All right. Hopefully we got it. Hopefully we got it. Someone says, it gets hard finding motivation to get back on the chart after losses from country and city. Make it look easy, consistent. Oh, amazing, amazing. Good to hear that, man. Yeah, for sure. You know, sometimes when you make so much consistent losses, it's really hard to find the motivation you need to continue trading. You know, I've been there also, you know, where, you know, trading is really, it's really harsh. I can tell you that it's a really harsh industry. It's a really harsh platform, a harsh business. Generally, entrepreneurship itself, just being into business is really not the easiest of things. It's one of the hardest ventures you can take. I understand why our parents would be like, look, just go find a consistent job. Just go find yourself a safe job that could pay you money and sort out your bills every month. You don't have to worry about anything. Being an entrepreneur, being into business, you know, trading, it's all business. It's one of the hardest roads that you can walk or you can ride on. You know, because sometimes you lose motivation. It's different with your job, right? You can lose motivation, but you still get paid at the end of the month, right? I know for a fact, right? I can lose motivation today, but come month end, they're going to cash in 5,000. They're going to cash in whatever thousand. All right. Depends on your profession as well. All right. But at the same time, when it comes down to just you being an entrepreneur, when you're in business, man, when you lose motivation, sometimes it's you need to find ways you can pick up yourself, you know, and probably if you're looking up to certain people who are going to talk to you, give you a call, something like that, you know, yeah. But this road is really harsh because you tend to face losses, you tend to face setbacks, and the loss generally is a drawback. It's a huge drawback in entrepreneurship. It's a huge drawback. What can we do? This is the road that we chose. You know, what can we do? We personally, right? My whole life, I've never worked a day job. Not like I never wished, but I've never worked a day job. Never did. You know, never worked a day job. Not a single day. Not because I always wished so, but because I always tried finding jobs I couldn't find. So, you know, how to settle down for just becoming an entrepreneur, and that was it. Yeah, anyway, all eyes should be on this level. All right. Let me just say, buys above here. Okay. Yeah, so if price breaks this level, we can look for buys. That should be good. So buys above here because price is in the range. If this candle right now breaks up here, we're gonna look for buys. Or if the next candle breaks up here, we're gonna look for an impulse execution. We're gonna look for an impulse execution. Right. Someone says keep up with these live streams. You're the best. Appreciate that. I'll keep up with the live streams. And that's the whole idea behind them. It's just to give you value. That's it. You know, it's harsh because even when I started, right, there were guys I would look up to, and just to ask a question, they would say, look, I'm not going to answer this question. You need to pay for my course. And that's when I'm going to answer your question. Like, look, man, what is trading all about? What is the lot size? I don't know what a lot size is. Like, what is the lot size? The guy's gonna be like, look, I'm not gonna answer that question. He's gonna send me a link and like join my course. Isn't that harsh? You know, but now you have me, and I come on live here on a free platform, and I answer your questions, and we come up with trades. We have a free learn and earn platform, which is a chat community where we have like-minded traders, and we trade together. You know, on a daily basis, we go live. I share course with these guys also, and all that kind of thing. You know, it's brutal. I'm sure you text some of these guys are gonna be like, look, I'm not gonna answer any of these questions that you have until you pay me something to actually, you know, answer your questions. It's crazy. It shouldn't be like that anyway. It shouldn't be like that. My business model, anything that I do, I say this all the time. I believe I need to give value first. Okay. And I let a person decide. It could be if I have a product, right? Maybe I have a product that I'm trying to, you know, sell or something like that. I'm going to give you the product. You go try it out for yourself. If you feel you need more of that product, it's going to be all up to you. Then you're going to come back to me and get the product. All right. So it's the same thing when I'm trading and when I have you know, my courses that are ongoing, right? I give you value. I give you free information. All right. If you feel you need to know more on top of that, you're going to reach out to me. You're going to be like, look, man, I think I need to sit down with you. I'm going to let you know, okay, what it takes to actually do that. You know, so yeah. Anyway, eyes on the charts. Meantime, buys above this level. Yeah. That was maybe below here. Meantime, I think we could get some buys. Can we get some buys? We get some buys. Maybe. Who knows? I think safest will be here. Stop loss somewhere here. TP 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Something like, we haven't taken any position right now, so don't be all crazy about it. Okay, I haven't taken any position right now. No, this is just too much. Somewhere here, if we can fill up this week, maybe. Yeah. Filling up that week, maybe. But let's see. We need confirmation. Markets are still in a range, right? I know we have volume right now, but it's not really as much. You know, I don't really execute right at the open. In most cases, I've not executed right at the open. I always wait. Let's look at what God is doing also. That thing is falling back into it. Let's see. Because I took a trade here already, you know, I might not really have to take a trade on gold. You know, it looks like it's still going down. You know, possibly still looks like it's gonna go down long term. Let's look at US30. US30 is pushing down as well. So is it that it's trying to create a low? Because one thing I see just from this time frame is that we have this retracement that's currently happening, right? Is it that maybe markets want to reject the downside? Who knows? Maybe they might want to continue going down. Who knows, right? We just need to wait. No confirmation, no entry, right? No confirmation, no entry. Especially for me who already had, like, I got a good trade already in the morning. I'm not trying to panic to come up with the trade right now. You know, I know a lot of you guys who are in a position where sometimes you just really want to extract a trade for whatever reason. I'm not trying to do that myself, right? Yeah. I just want to find a trade that complements what I'm looking for, you know, and what I was looking at was Nasdaq. Still in a range. I'm still looking at it, actually. Ooh, okay. It's coming. It is coming. It is coming. Okay. It probably will. We'll see about that. Someone says impulse execution. Yes, because this candle, maybe we might not have to wait for it to close. We might, if it breaks up here, we might just put a stop below its low. All right, and then anticipate that price continues going to the upside. All right, yeah, we might just need to do that. Okay. So I'm gonna zoom out like this, and I definitely think that this is the recent London's high that we are looking at. Yeah, London's high. So meaning if price was to break this area, it's broken through London's high. All right, so if it does that, most definitely we should fly up, because we have a daily trading range here from Friday and Thursday. Yeah, I didn't trade all of last week, but I was sending some signals to my signal platform. Yeah, I was, but I didn't trade personally. I wasn't active the whole of last week. I wasn't. Yeah, sometimes it's good to take a break. Yeah, it's good taking a break from maybe, you know, a couple things and all that. It's really important. Yeah, it's coming. It is coming. Let's see if it's gonna give us what we're looking for. How are you doing, Nathan? I'm good. Jonas, you've been asking how I'm doing since morning. I'm good. I'm good. Keeping up with these live streams, you're the best. We learn a lot from you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Let's see. I just want to see this candle really break the high of this recent bearish candle. If we can do that, then we can look for a good execution. Yeah, but you see, mostly we test the waters, right? First entry is going to be like just a minute entry, testing the waters. Yeah, something like that. So let's see. Someone says, I tried texting you, you haven't responded back. Oh, okay, I'll respond to you. I'll respond to you. You have a billion messages. How do you determine where to place your TP. I look at the risk reward ratio, and also I look at my recent levels of interest, my areas of interest. So the gold trade, but was unsure of it. Next time, Rick, don't be unsure. Take the trade, okay? Have some balls. Take the trade next time, okay? Don't be unsure. We made money. We're not sure. We made money still. We made money. I made about, look, $700. Yeah. I closed it already though, but that was in the morning. If God breaks 2332, it'll sell more. Okay. Voston, we hear you. Give us reasons anyway. Just don't say it's gonna sell. You're gonna mislead some people. We have 40-50 people here who might listen to you and be like, oh, he said it's gonna sell, and they're gonna take a sell. Don't be such a dummy, right? Who just wants to follow a person's comment here and take a trade. No, do your work. Go do your work. All right, do your work. Have your own reasons as to why you're taking a trade. There's some of you guys who just go like, okay, I'm gonna check so and so's stories and I'm gonna take the trade based off their stories. No, okay, that person might be wrong. They might not even take the trade themselves. Maybe you take the trade and you lose your money on that trade. Okay, you don't want to do that. You still add to the free learning group even if you already have an account. Yeah, if you already have an account, there's a way you can actually attach a partnership to it, and that's the only way I can have you in the platform. Simple as that. Very simple. How are you, Mr. Nas? I'm good. Mwembe, I'm good. Hope I pronounced your name right, man. Please pardon me. I hope I did. But I'm good. I'm extremely perfect. I saw you today. You were driving past Cairo Road. Yeah. I was there today, a few minutes ago. I just rushed back home because I had to do this stream with you guys. Yeah, I had to rush so I could do this stream with you guys. You can imagine, yeah? Yeah, we're waiting for Nasdaq. All right. Of course, gold is still tanking. I wouldn't recommend you trading gold right now unless you, whatever, I don't know what you're looking for, but it might want to pull back or it might continue going down. Who knows? But the movements for the day, I think, are done. They've been cleared off already on gold. So you just need to wait and see. Maybe Nasdaq or US30 can give you something. Yeah, maybe it can give us something. Maybe you can get something from those ones. Ask your questions, guys. Ask your questions. As usual, I always come here to just also interact with you. Let's go back and look at your study. Ooh, this means that this is not valid now. This is not valid here. Dropped. Does that mean Nasdaq is going to do the same thing? I don't know. We just need to see what kind of candles are going to print. Maybe because we had a small level here, you know. Yeah, maybe because we had that. Maybe an impulse execution below here was going to be good. Yeah, maybe. But it also could find maybe support here. Who knows? Maybe it could reject this area and then push back up. Who knows? It looks like a strong level of support. You know, we saw price struggle here, struggle there, struggle here. Who knows? Maybe my struggle again. I don't know, but let's see what's going to happen. You know, I don't have a trade right now running. Please, okay? I don't have any trade running right now. I know some of you guys are going to start asking, have you taken any trade? No, I haven't. Okay. I haven't taken. Someone says, nice playlist. Okay. This, I got this from, what's that platform? This platform. What's this? What do you call this? What do you call Epidemic Sound? Epidemic Sound. Yeah. That's why I got these tracks that are playing in the back. Can I join your Signal platform? No, you can't. It's not open for you now. It's not. You can't join it. Just keep looking forward. Maybe in the future you're gonna join. But you know what you can do? Go on Xness, go open an account, all right? And hit me up. I'm gonna add you to the Learn and Earn platform. Okay? Make sure you use the link in the description below. If you don't use that link in the description below, I can't add you. I can't. And I have a way to check if your account was open using the link below. If it wasn't, I can't add you. All right, but you can do that. Just use the link in the description. Open your account, whatever account. Just go like, okay, fine. This is Xmas. Click register there, and okay, cool. Put up your country, put up your email, put up your password. Use the link in the description. I'm gonna add you. Just send me your email address. Just tell me, look, man, I opened my account with the link in your YouTube live stream. So add me, and I'll add you. Okay, so we can trade live together every day. Okay, I was live today with the guys. It was good. It was beautiful. So you can do that. Save yourself some stress. Okay, join a community of like-minded individuals who you can trade with at least every now and then. It's good to have that, you know. Yeah, it is. It's very important to have a community of people you trade with. Very important. Might not really be my community. It might be any other community. Just find a community that you can actually join and be part of, you know, and trade with those guys. Okay, so in this case we might put our stop below here if we have a break, hoping we do, and have a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, which is still within range. Yeah, something like that. Stop loss is 45 points. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. If we break this high, I'm going to take the trade soon. If we do so. Stop loss is around this level. Yeah. So if we do, I'm going to take the trade. Yeah. Somebody says, will you be opening up the signal groups anytime soon? I don't know, honestly. I don't know. At this point, I can't say I know. I don't know. It depends. Maybe someday I'll wake up feeling like it. But I'll let you guys know. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this trade like ASAP. 1 point. No, not now. It hasn't broken the high. It's this high it has to break. It has to break this high. You see that high? That recent candle's high? It has to break it. It hasn't broken it. Hasn't. So yeah, it hasn't. I haven't taken the trade. Let me show you guys. Look, I haven't. It has to break the high. It hasn't broken. No. How do I partner my already made excess? Hit me up. Okay. Asking for guidance on how to attach the party. Hit me up. Okay, just hit me up. I'm gonna show you. Very easy process. And straightforward. Okay, you don't have to be smart for it. Straightforward. Oh, Nasdaq is going sideways. Okay, cool. Let's check out this. Some people might join and be like, oh, you took a buy? No, we haven't. If price also breaks here, we could take a sell. Let me just mention that. Okay, looking at what USD has done. Oh, this doesn't have to say buy. This has to sell below. Okay. Yeah, so look for sells if we break below. Okay, so sell below here. I think, yeah. If we break below there, I'll be happy to see buys though. Regardless, I'll be happy to see buys instead of sells. But who cares about what I'll be happy to see? We care about what the markets will do. Right? Nobody cares about what I would want to see. We care about what markets will do. So whatever markets do, we're gonna do that. Someone says you want a million, no forex trader could trade live and make other people benefit. Yeah, it's a few guys who can do that because people are afraid to lose in front of people. You know, I'm not afraid to lose in front of you guys because I've won more times than I could lose in one day. And you know that. You guys know that. You join these streams. You see every time we come here and we trade live most of the time, and we've had more wins on these streams than losses. Yeah, so most of the guys are just afraid. They have no they can't talk. They don't have balls enough to face you and talk to you. They don't have a style that's working, maybe. And some are just not even interested in doing any of this, you know. So they're not the problem anyway. They don't have an issue with doing. They don't want to do it. So who, you know, it's just okay. Like, look, I'm just gonna trade by myself, and that's it. You know. So anyway, it's just, yeah. Someone says, how do I join your courses? Right now, we only have in-person and online full mentorship. So I think there's a link, should be on the bio of this channel. There should be a link there. Just go check it out, where you have access to a catalog and all that. You can just, yeah, do your peak. I rarely admit people though, but yeah, I really admit people for that, because I already have existing students. I'm still sorting out. I'm still teaching to just have a huge number for the sake of having a huge number. Now, if the huge number is not effective, if they're not producing results, who cares about having a huge number? You know, I'm better off having 100 people who are effective, or maybe 50 people who are effective, than having 1,000 people who are not effective. They can't call out no trade, and they can't do this. Like, we called out this trade in the morning from scratch. We called out the retracement. Actually, if you are in the stream in the morning on the Learn and Earn platform, we called out this retracement, and then we called out this as well, right? So I'll be happy to have 50 guys who can call out this easily than have 1,000 retards who can't even see markets, and they don't even know where markets are headed to. So I'm okay having a few guys who can just, you know. All right, is the party about to start? Maybe. The party's delaying. Party's delaying. It's okay. Sometimes they say delay is not denial. That's what they say, is it? Yeah, we just need to wait. Buys above here. Certainly. Stop below here. Find the urge. Risk-reward ratio. Find the urge. Risk-reward ratio somewhere maybe here. And because we have this level here, this could act as your TP2. Maybe this could act as your TP1. Okay. And then because we have that level, which is our ultimate level, maybe that could act as your TP3. But who wants to hold all the way to there? Maybe you want to hold up to here. Yeah, just maybe. You know, but we are waiting. We are waiting. Bring on some questions. What concerns do you guys have? What broker do you use? I only use one broker. Okay. I don't use any other broker. I only use one broker. Okay. And the broker that I use is this one, Exness. That's it. Don't ask me why. Exness has the best market environments. I'm not trying to promote no platform. Nope. I'm telling you facts about the platform. All right. They have the best payment systems, the best, the fastest withdrawals. Try out withdrawing from your Exness account using Binance or crypto. You're going to get your money almost instant. All right. Almost instant. Look at this. 1.9 billion trades executed last year. Who knows? Maybe this year it's going to be 3 billion. Okay. Okay. 4 trillion monthly trading volume. Man, that's a lot of money. You know, it shows that the platform has credibility. It's got a lot of people using it. All right. If you have one of these, you know, cheeky platforms that are starting up now and you're trying to use them, well, all the best. And I say this all times. I've said this to people that I guide. What I always look out for in a platform for me is safety. Guys, we're taking the trade right now. Let's take it. Let's take it. Ooh, let's take it. Let's take it. There we go. I took 2 trades. Yeah. I took 2 trades. There we go. I took 2 trades. I took 2 trades. We call this impulse execution. We call this impulse execution. Do you know why we call it impulse execution? Because the candle hasn't closed as yet. So we're entering based off the fact that the candle is still in motion, hoping that, not really hoping that, knowing that it could continue moving up because it's broken a critical level of interest. All right. So we close this. We take out this. And from here, you know what you do? You just wait. Yeah. You just wait. Simple as that. You just wait. If you're going to lose, you lose. Cool. You move on to the next trade. I already have 1 win for the day. And I'm not trying to risk so much on this one. My win already was good. If I lose on this one, maybe I'll lose like 140, 100 and what? Let's see. $140. Yeah. I'm already up like 700 for the day. So that's not really going to be an issue. So that's going to be a pinch. But we're not focusing on losing. We're focusing on winning. So, let's see. You guys excited? Let's see. Oh, we're in profits right now. Isn't that cool? Netflix and Tesla holding it back. Really? Oh, okay. Who knows? Netflix and Tesla holding it back. What do you look out for if you want to catch a sniper entry? I think precision, in the sense of you probably might want to look at lower time frames. Yeah, but it's you know, it's a whole lot hard to catch a sniper entry. You know what they call sniper entries? The ones that you want to catch from the bottom, like at the tip. Right? They call them sniper entries. But you know, why struggle to catch the move from where it starts, while you could still catch it while it's still in motion? All right, because catching them from the bottom, really, or the topmost, is really one difficult thing that you can actually do. You know, or sometimes you could catch them while they're in motion. There's no problem with doing that. You know, there's no problem in doing that. Yeah, you know why my stop is below here? Because if this candle's low is broken, the trend changes. Okay, and I like explaining all this to you guys so that you can actually know why we have certain things where they are. All right, so basically, if at all you have, let's say, a situation like this, okay, let's say this is our current candle based off execution. It's got a low, right? And let's say we execute a trade, okay, and then maybe we buy here, okay, and after we buy, price goes up, okay, it pushes up, next candle closes up. If the next candle opens, all right, and maybe it, you know, looks like it wants to go up, and then boom, okay, later on maybe closes bearish, all right, it would mean that price is more interested in going down than up, because the trend would have changed. All right, do you know what an uptrend is? In my simplest definition, an uptrend is when candles start to make new highs. That's what an uptrend is. So look at this. Let's say this is a candle, right? A bullish candle. Okay, so this candle has a high. Okay, and let's say if the next candle opens, breaks the recent candle's high, we have a new high. Okay, let's say if the next candle opens, breaks the recent candle's high, well, we have a new high. This is an uptrend. Okay, it only becomes a downtrend if the next candle, maybe as bearish as it might be, all right, breaks the low of the recent candle, this bearish candle here. Now it turns out to be possibilities of a bearish move or a downtrend. Okay, yeah, when candles start to make new highs, that's an uptrend. If they start making new lows, that's a downtrend. Very simple. Very, very simple. Let's see how this goes. How much profits am I having here? Oh, just $50. Look at that, $50. Very small profit. $50. $50. Let me see. I have something that I just received here. Not really here. Let me bring back this. Bang, 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 bang. Man, time is moving. Time is moving. Like days are flying like crazy. Did you realize that this April is about to be done? Next week it's done. Did you realize that? Okay. Yeah, 4 months done in 2024. Doesn't it feel like it was just recently when we were like, oh, Happy New Year and stuff like that? It feels like it isn't. Yeah, time is really flying. But it's flying perfectly. It's flying perfectly. I have a next YouTube video for you guys. Very soon. I'm gonna do a YouTube video, so go check. If you haven't subscribed, I know some of you guys just come here, watch, and go back, but make sure you go subscribe, right? Just go subscribe, and let's add up the numbers. I have a new YouTube video, right? This is the one and only one that we did so far, but I have a new one that I've done, and I'm gonna be posting it soon, right? It's gonna be so educative and so informative, right? I can't wait for you guys to actually get to listen to the things that I'm talking about in that video, right? It's nothing to do with, oh, you can make money like this, you know, you can, no, nothing to do with that. It's real life situations, all right, that I'm putting across based off my own personal experience, and I love doing that personally. You know, I give you a real situation based off what I've gone through myself, right? Or what I'm going through, or, you know, what I've experienced. And then probably you could also be like, oh, you know what, I relate with that. I think I've learned something on how to handle that because of how you just handled it also, you know. So yeah. And that's the whole idea behind this channel. I'm going to be using it strictly for that. Strictly for that. Is mobile money payment method back? Not yet. But you can use Binance to access it. You can use Binance to access it. It's going to be back soon. Already taken the trade. Nice. Yes, I did. I just mentioned that. I just mentioned that earlier. I took the trade. Yes. I did. This candle closes in about 5 minutes. I hope it closes above this level here. Hope it can. If it doesn't, it gives me, you know, because there's two things here, right? Listen, guys, there's two things: execution and trade management. Two things, okay? Most of you are good at execution, bad at trade management. All right, trade management happens or starts happening the moment you execute. If you execute a trade, whether you're winning, whether you're losing, whether you're in drawdown, whether you're up 20 points, 30 points, trade management has to happen. All right, managing your trade is you looking at the charts, finding reasons as to why you should, one, keep holding, or half your trades, or close your trades. All right, halving your trades could be, maybe I took, let's say 0.50. all right, lot size, total lot size. All right, and if I start seeing reasons based off how candles are closing as to, okay, fine, you know what, I think there's a possibility that this price might actually reverse. All right, I could start halving my position. Okay, so in position sizing, I teach this in my courses, I teach this to my students also, right? In position sizing, you know, when you're making executions, you don't really go in all like, okay, you know, bang, 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 bang. You most of you guys are good at that. All right, but at the same time, you could probably first test the waters, understand what kind of load size you're going to use on average. If it's going to be like, let's say 1.0 or 2.0 or let's say 0.50, then you can half it. All right, maybe you make one order upon execution. We call that testing the waters. When you do that, you could still manage that one order depending on how price is actually behaving as it's moving. Most of you guys like to make a lot of positions right when you're taking just one trade, right? So you'll find out that like this trade, maybe you've taken 20 positions, a lot of positions. I don't know who taught you, you know, who taught you that, but that's a very bad way to trade. It's a very bad way to trade. All right, so after execution, there comes trade management. Trade management keeps happening as price is moving. All right, price won't move straight to where you want it to go immediately. It could fluctuate. It could even come in drawdown. All right, like right now it's fluctuating. It gave us about, like, how many points was that? All right, it went up to here. How many points was that? Was it like what, 22 points? It gave us 22 points, and now it's back at the entry, slightly above the entry. Trade management still should be happening at this moment, right? You should be watching your candles, trying to find reasons as to why you should keep holding this trade. All right, why are you holding this trade? Is it because this candle is still looking bullish and it's still looking above this and above that? Is it because this candle is still maintained a high above this level? Or if it falls back into this level and rejects to the upside and downside, well, that could mean something. Okay, and trade management should still happen at that moment. Okay, so that's what we do normally. Then that's what separates people who are consistent from those who are not. Because those guys who are not consistent, they take one bad trade and it blows up all their money because they failed to manage the trade that they took in the process. All right, so yeah. Will the signal group be opening up soon? Well, man, I don't know. I don't know, honestly. I'm gonna let you guys know when we actually open it up. There we took one trade, which was gold, sell on gold. Yeah, we smashed out 3 TPs there. Yeah, so I don't know if it's gonna open anytime soon. I don't know. I'll let you guys know on that. Let you guys know on that. Candle closes in a minute. Doing a drawdown, I think about like maybe 15 points drawdown. Yeah. Let's see. This also means that we are back in a range. Yeah, that's what it means, that we are back in a range. Yeah. It means that we are back in a range. I'm down like $70. Yeah, not bad. And this is where I also say that normally if you're actually trading, right, you need to have more wins, bigger wins and less losses, right? So sometimes if you check my history, right, and you realize, oh, this is his history, all right, he has some rates, but the rate is like $60, $40. The wins is like 300, 400, you know, 190. You know, that's what happens. So I'm going to close out one position because I opened 2 positions, right? I'm going to close out one position, not because I'm scared of this trade, and I'm just managing my trades, all right? So I'm going to close out one position because of how the candle just closed, the recent candle right there. I just closed out one position. I left one position running. I haven't hit my stop, no, but I'm looking at how this candle closed, so I'm managing my trades, right? So if this candle keeps going up and breaks this level, I still have room to still add on to my wins, all right? That's the difference. So yeah, hope you got it. All right, hope you got it. I was really inspired. I almost cried. I feel better and strong after watching it. Nice, nice, man, nice. That's amazing. I'm sure it's a YouTube video you mean. Amazing. 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 Someone says we still have a lot of room to go up. Yeah, we still have a lot of room to go up. Netflix and Tesla are pulling Nasdaq down. Okay, cool stuff. That's cool. That's cool. It's good to know that Netflix and Tesla is pulling Nasdaq down. They could actually. They could. I'm not arguing with you. They could. Let's look at US30. What's happened on US30? Press down and did exactly what we were talking about earlier. Rejected around here. Yeah. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. That current candle is not too convincing. You know, not too convincing. Bullish, yes, but not too convincing. Because of this recent candle that just closed with an exhaustion upside. Yeah. Looks like price is really failing to go up. But again, this is the no trade zone inside here. All right. The break above here was going to be suitable to go all the way up. A break below here also suitable to go down to maybe around this area here. Because of this whole hasty situation that we have. I did a live stream on when was that? On Friday. And I was explaining what's actually going on with the Learn and Earn platform. I was telling the guys, look, the whole geopolitical you know, tension that's happening is what's affecting and driving markets right now. So much. You know, you're seeing indices and stocks going down. You're seeing commodities like gold going up. You know, it's a big drive right now. It's a big drive. Not so convincing. I've been already about like how many minutes? More than 15 to 20 minutes in this trade and it's still just rejecting. What are we gonna do here? I already closed one or more positions. I only have one more open. Very small position. That's $42 negative. I'm managing my trade as usual. I'm managing my trade. All right. So you do the same thing as also. It's wiser like that. Oh, God is still moving down. Okay. God is still moving down. Someone says, what do you think about GU? I'm not trading that. Honestly, I'm not looking at trading GU. I normally would trade assets like GU in London session, not like now. You know. Hopefully the turnaround is too early. Nah, I don't know. You know, I don't know. God is raid on the day across the board. Been. Not only today. Been like that. Now, I think, let's see. This is 16:05. I'm giving this trade 10 minutes to fix itself up. If in 10 minutes it doesn't fix itself up, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it because, you know, one, we are back in the range, and back in the range means two things, right? It means it's a no trade zone. It means price might continue stressing you, or price might want to come down, reject here, come back. It means all that, right? Yeah, so I'm giving this trade 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 9 minutes now. Yeah, I'm only giving it 9 minutes. If in 9 minutes it doesn't fix itself up, I'm gonna close it. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. Someone says, what time it's fighting 50 RSI? Ooh, this guy trades RSI. Okay. Don't trade RSI, guys. Don't trade all these RSI and whatever. I don't recommend that personally. I don't recommend that. Okay, so don't trade RSI and whatever, that kind of thing. No. You know? Yeah, back in the range. I used to, like, first time I got into trading, I was looking at RSIs and, you know, stochastics, and those things don't work. They don't work. They don't work. They honestly don't work. Just keep your things simple. Simple price action. And look at that. You save yourself a lot of stress. Your whole RSIs and whatever's, you know. No precision. Very slow New York session. I love London session because we picked up well on gold. New York seems very slow. Maybe it's gonna pick up later on. Maybe. But this trade, I'm giving it now 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes. I want to see what's gonna happen in 7 minutes. It looks like it's getting exhausted on a 50 minutes time frame. Mata's on a 30 minutes time frame. Yeah. Going down long term, I don't know. Continuing going up, depends if price breaking this range. Depends on that. Ooh, God is still moving. If I was still holding this trade, man, I was gonna be, I don't know, up maybe 1,000 plus or something like that. US 30 trying to go up. Doing what Nasdaq should be doing. But Nasdaq is being cheeky. Doing what Nasdaq should be doing. Someone says, on what days do you go live? Normally it's Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays at 15 hours, which is 3 p.m. normally. Yeah. Can I use price action for BTC USD trading? Yes, you could. I have a lot of my students who do that. I'm still eyeing Nasdaq. It surely will break resistance. Yeah, it could, but I don't know. It's just being slow. I think so. It could, but it's big. I'm trying to avoid a situation where it continuously keeps. Okay, I think it's going for my stop, which is okay. I'm trying to avoid a situation where it continues doing this in here. I'm trying to avoid that because for course, we have important news this week on Thursday, which is GDP. We have GDP on Thursday. We have PMI tomorrow, Tuesday. Yeah, we have that. Then we have GDP on Thursday. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm down $55. 55. But not hit my stop. Not hit my stop. Not yet. Not hit my stop. Not yet. Yeah. Low markets for NAS. Ever since the open, it's now like what? An hour, 10 minutes? We've been inside here doing nothing but ups and downs. US30 made the big move down and now it's going up. Gold on the other side keeps going down. I didn't look at DTC. But I think it's going up. Yeah, I think it's going up. We have a very strong support here. But ideally, one thing I would say is maybe look for buys above here. Maybe look for buys above there. If you didn't take any buys below here. Yeah. What was this? This was Monday today. Crazy, man. We had a move from down here. That was crazy. I didn't check this out, you know. Okay, the last time I checked it out was yesterday when we were still stuck in this whole range situation. You know, I was like, okay, fine. You know, I think this is taking time to actually break out because we had a range like from up here to down here. So I didn't realize that we actually broke up like that. Crazy, man. Crazy. You know. But yeah. I have 3 more minutes to keep holding this trade or not. That would be also based off of the 50 minutes time frame. I would say there's low volume so far. Yeah, maybe it's gonna kick in later on. Keep watching. Someone says, how can I join the Learn and Earn? I took a buy, I shared in the Learn and Earn. Nice, nice, beautiful, beautiful. BTC USD Saturday went up. Nice, nice. No news volatility today. Yeah, no much. I wasn't expecting too much myself because already I took on gold earlier. So I was like, okay, fine. You know, I don't want to piece myself so much. It's just with all this waiting. Because as far as I'm concerned, this should have at least taken off by now. Probably up or probably down. 2 more minutes to decide whether I'll keep holding or not. All comes down to how this kind of closes also. Yeah. I know a bunch of you guys would be now pushing your stop like that. No, I don't do that personally, you know. I manage my trade in the process and I decide, okay, fine, I think I should close here and wait. So if I close and wait, I'll only be waiting to see if maybe we can have another bullish close or a bearish close, right? A bullish close maybe, okay, up there. I'll execute again, all right? Or if we can get a bearish close below here. I wouldn't be down for a bearish close anyway. I wouldn't be, you know, yeah, for some reason I wouldn't be. Because I see what's going on right now, I wouldn't be, you know. So I'd rather be waiting for that. Yeah. I think I'm gonna close my negative $52. Yeah. Let's close it. Bang. Closed. Let me show you guys that. So today, look at the losses I have down there. Oh shit. You guys see? Okay, I don't know how I can hold it. I have those $30 and $52. Total of 30 and 52 is roughly around like $82 loss. Yes, on a trade that maybe somebody might lose, let's say $300 or $500 or something like that, because of bad risk and bad trade management. You know, so yeah, let's see how the day goes anyway. Still watching out. This is still back in the range, you know, so we'll see. Perhaps maybe let me look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Okay. 1 hour time frame suggests that we have an impulse move here. This is still not changing a bias, no, but we have an impulse move here, and price is getting stuck around the 50. All right, meaning possibly if we can get a good close, it should be a good close, a good bearish close here, maybe we can push down, maybe, just maybe, I don't know, who knows, you know. Perhaps if we can get a better close here, a better bearish close, you know, like that, then maybe boom, you know, maybe something like that, and to where, maybe all the way to here, who knows. But right now we're in the range. I would say no trade range in here, no trade range or no trade zone in here. All right, that's how we can say. All right, a no trade zone in here, because we are ranging right now. Price is going sideways, so you don't want to be stuck up in that. Somebody says 4 hour shows downtrend. Really? Yeah, it could be. We don't have news today. No, we don't have news today. Let me show you. No, we don't have any economic data, but we have geopolitical tensions that I was looking at earlier today. Forex news. I normally use FX Street sometimes, you know. Yeah, just to check out latest updates. CNBC is also good. Yeah. Look, Middle East tensions ease. They just ease. So probably that's why. Okay. But with Middle East tensions going on ease, assets like stocks, indices should be pushing up. All right. Assets like gold should go down. All right. So gold is going down. This perhaps should not go down. This perhaps should climb. Right. It should be climbing, because gold is going down, because it's a safe haven, right? So being a safe haven, if all these tensions are easing up, all right, investors dump it. So most people are dumping it. So in the process, they're taking out their money from it, and it ends up dumping. But with stocks, when they take out the money from assets like gold commodities, they're shifting it to stocks. So stocks should be going up. Assets like gold should be going down. So yeah, we're still forecasting for that. Are you okay with trading on a Monday though? Yes, I did trade on a Monday. I took a gold trade in the morning. I made about $700. So today I'm up so far about $689 for the day. Yes. So I trade on Mondays too. Yeah, I do trade on Mondays too. Someone says, are there specific days when you do online trading? Yeah, I think I answered that. We have Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Sometimes Fridays as well. So let's keep looking at this. Yeah, still stuck in the range. Still stuck in the range. Let's look what USD is doing. USD on one end, it wants to push down so bad, but maybe it is just failing because it's come to a critical level of support. Probably this area here, and we can see that candle closes soon in about 9-10 minutes. If it closes as it is, probably we could have a minor support created there. This was a resistance level we had earlier. If you look at 50 minutes time frame, it looks like a market that's trying to just push up based off maybe a retracement. It could be, all right, retracement in the sense that maybe we're looking at that fun impulse, and this is based off 50 minutes time frame, meaning that if maybe we find a stronghold, it could be on any of these levels, right? It could be on any of these levels. Already we've rejected 50, but maybe price wants to go back and go maybe to, like, let's say 61.8, because one thing about the price, right, it will get to a level, right, it won't automatically start dropping from that level, especially on indices. It's going to try and go back, sort of like retest, and maybe try and sort of like create a range before it can decide to go down thereafter. All right, or if not, all right, it could start, where's my brush? Oh, it is here. It could start ranging right there, all right, before it goes back up. Two things, all right, two things. So yeah, so let's watch this level 2 here. This one. Let's watch that level. See how price reacts to that level. Meanwhile, Nasdaq is going down. But I think there's a bigger range on the left side. You know, more reason why I wouldn't take a sell, honestly, because of this. You know, but who knows? Maybe it wants to just play around inside here before it goes. I won't take a sell on Nas today. I'm not doing that because of the geopolitical tension. If I do, well, maybe it would really need to take a lot of convincing, you know, but nah, I'm not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. I'd rather say I'm good with the trades I took for the day so far, the sell on gold and the sell that I took here. I mean, the buy I took here that I closed. I would rather say I'm good with that, you know. So meantime, let's watch and see what's gonna happen. This on one end is US30. Let me bring it back here. Actual level should be here. And let's see what we have. Someone says, please do a class on psychology someday. I will. Just join the Learn and Earn platform. We're gonna do a class in there soon. Yeah, this was New York high. Then we have New York low. Would price want to come back, break New York low, continue going down? Quite so rare to do so. Quite so rare to do so. Quite so rare. Ooh, I did well to close that trade though. Nothing crazy anyway, but looks like we may be trying to test Asian's low this time around. After breaking London's low, we're currently at Asian low. Let's see, maybe we can get a exhaustion or something. Someone says, are you okay? Okay, I think I answered that. I took a trade on Monday. Yeah, it's obviously because of volume. Yeah, obviously because of volume. Most likely because of that. Obviously. Let's see what's going on gold. Still stuck here. Okay. Nasdaq at the low side of this area here. Okay. Some extent also, you would think that maybe because of that, we're getting that. To some extent, you would think so. I don't want to assume so much anyway. It's just Monday. So I'd rather, let's say, look at US30. We could get another potential trade here, perhaps. Yeah, we could. What's that stick on the forward time frame? I did look at forward time frame already when I started. Yeah, it is. It had a resistance that was created And this candle still has a long way to close because it opened what time? It opened at 16, which is 24 minutes ago. Still has a long way to go. Okay, yeah, this reduced volume and so on. It does have a long way to go. You know, I'm also looking at this based off what's going on right now in the macro world. All right, besides just the technical side of it. All right, besides that. All right, so I'm also looking at it in that sense. But for our time frame, if this candle closes bearish, definitely we could continue rushing to the downside, like long term, right? If it closes bearish, we could continue rushing to the downside if this candle on the 4-hour time frame does that. All right, possibilities of it also coming down here and just rejecting it could be high, you know. Yeah, it could be. You know, coming around this area, rejecting, it's high as well. So yeah, you know, I know 4-hour time frame close, 4-hour candle closed the low below the low of the recent 4-hour candle, and we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that didn't have much volume. This one is just showing much volume right there. But again, it could be a situation like tap down and go back up. You know, so who knows? I'm not trying to really force a trade on it after the one I took. I'm not trying to force a trade on it. I wouldn't say. Yesterday also looks like we did create resistance. Yeah. We did create resistance. Yep. And perhaps because Nasdaq is also going down, it has reasons to. But I'll wait to see if it can break this area here. Right? Based off like the 50 minutes time frame. Alright, we have an area here. It can break this area, well and good. Potential sells to maybe again below all the way to somewhere here. Probably. You know, if we can break below here. If we don't break below there, I don't think I could take any trade. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to be leaving you for now. Let me get out to something else. I've got a couple meetings later today in the evening. It's been a beautiful trading session. Beautiful start. We had a buy on gold. I mean, a sell on gold. Right, I think that was the main highlight trade for today. It was a beautiful entry. We had a buy on Nasdaq, which I think we lost out about how many points is this? We took the buy somewhere here. Closed it somewhere in here. 42 points. Yeah, and then continue going down, which is good. All right, so I'll join you again. I'm trying by all means to work around my schedules, right? Like trying by all means to see how I can give you guys more of this on a consistent basis, just like I used to. My schedule is just spoiled now because I've got a lot of things I'm trying to handle, right? But I should be back again on Wednesday. I should be back on Wednesday. Definitely should be back on Wednesday. All right, so I'll catch you guys again on Wednesday on this stream. Wait, someone says, when are we going to clean the chairs again? Which chairs is I talking about? Oh, okay. I remember this guy. Yeah, I'll join you guys again on Wednesday. All right, same time. All right, same time. Same time on Wednesday. Same time. I'm also looking forward to, I was thinking about it. I'm also looking forward to trying like customize instead of just doing New York all times. Maybe also involve London station stream. What do you guys have to say about that? Stop a pie emoji if you'd want me to do that. Like instead of just us doing, let's say, New York station only, maybe some Wednesdays or Fridays we have we have London station stream, because we do more of New York station. Yeah, we do more of New York station. What do you guys have to say? Just drop a fire emoji if you want me to do that. Right, should we also do besides the New York stations, maybe some days we do London station stream? London station obviously is around 8-9. I could go live around that time some days. Yeah, I could. Just drop a fire emoji. Let me see if you guys are interested in that. So sometimes I do like, let's say London, and other days I do like, let's say New York. All right. Yeah, I think that should be good. Yeah, that should also be good. That should also be good. Someone says yes, fire emojis. Okay, beautiful. I think I'll consider doing that, you know. Yeah, I'll consider doing that. Like today we had this trade around, like, what time was this? 12. Yeah, so if we can run up a London station stream around, let's say 9:10, 9, yeah, maybe 9:10. Okay, I'll try and plan up how I can do that also. Right, I'll try and see how I can incorporate that. All right, guys, I'll see you on Wednesday. All right, have a beautiful trading session. I'm done for the day personally. Yeah, done for the day. If I see anything else, I don't know. I'll just be. It has to give me reasons. But I think I'll watch out for US30. For now, it looks slightly convincing. Not too convincing. Slightly convincing. I'll keep watching this. Or maybe sells. Yeah. Peace out. Trade safely. I'll see you guys on Wednesday.